Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to use vlookup in Google Sheets. So as you can see right here, this is already my sheet and everything. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose a name right here, like this third one, Rohit Nanda. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to see right here, this is her basic and net salary, right? And here you're gonna see the SL no right here, and you're gonna see the employee name and net salary. Let's say I added right here 5, and an employee name I'm gonna add equals vlookup, and then quote unquote right here search key, right? So you can just add to whatever that you actually want right here, which is H4. Then move along to drag with your left mouse right here. Let me go back to my screen, and then just drag all of the employees, all of them, and then you're gonna see the F13 added automatically. And then you're gonna choose from the column number 2, number 3, the employee, which is the employee number, and then basically you're gonna just drag with your mouse right here, and then you're gonna be able to add number 2, which is that employee. Basically add the name of the employee right here, which is Suraj Sharma, and then basically add 2 or 0.2.0 basically, and then close that gap, and then basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and we will definitely see you in the next one.